Start investing in gold and silver at sdbullion.com today and join over 35,000 precious metals investors who have made the switch to the lowest gold and silver prices in the industry. SD Bullion recently claimed a spot on the prestigious Inc. 500, making them one of the fastest growing bullion companies in the United States. With low bullion prices and over-the-top customer service, SD Bullion is setting the standard for precious metals transactions. Visit www.sdbullion.com today. Start saving on every precious metals purchase you make.
Hey everyone, this is Elijah Johnson with your midweek metals report. Gold and silver prices have kept in a tight range this past week, with silver prices trading at $18 an ounce and gold prices trading in a tight range between $12.30 and $12.45. Silver in particular stubbornly refuses to stay down, absorbing every raid the bullion banks have thrown at it in the past few days, attempting to cap silver under the 200-day moving average at $17.93, and paint a large head and shoulders pattern on silver's weekly chart. Much to the chagrin of the bullion banks and their nearly 50,000 new silver shorts, however, silver has absorbed every punch thrown and keeps bobbing up. Both metals rose sharply this afternoon with the 2 p.m. release of the Fed minutes, which, as the market expected, prepared the market for the first interest rate hike of 2017 to be announced as soon as the March FOMC meeting. In particular, the minutes stated that many Fed officials saw a hike fairly soon if the economy is on track. In response, the market now sees a nearly 40% chance of a rate hike in March and a nearly 80% chance in June. Back to the metals complex, silver in particular has a crucial week of trading ahead of it, due in large part to the head and shoulders pattern the bullion banks have painted onto the weekly chart by capping silver prices over the past 10 days, combined with March expiration. If they are successful, momentum traders and algos will pile onto the paper short side, targeting sub-$14 silver. If they are not, and silver is able to break towards $18.50, the very real potential for a short squeeze exists. Once again, the Dow ended up higher today, which means it's ended up higher 9 days in a row. This is the longest streak in 30 years. Last week, General Michael Flynn was forced to resign from his position as National Security Advisor. Trump now has appointed Lieutenant General Herbert Raymond McMaster to that position. President Trump said today in a budget meeting, spending was out of control, and that there was enormous work to do on the national debt. But many of our guests we have on the Silver Doctors podcast are skeptical Trump can turn things around. Many believe the debt expansion is beyond the point of no return, and collapse is inevitable. Stay tuned tomorrow to listen to my interview with silver expert David Morgan. In this interview, Morgan will discuss why in the short term he believes gold will outperform silver. This Friday, don't miss the SD Weekly Metals and Markets Wrap. I'm Elijah Johnson, signing off.